Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be going shopping and I'm going to take you guys with me. Today we're going to go to Winners once again and we're going to see what we can find. This video is not sponsored. I just really enjoy shopping at Winners. If you guys aren't familiar with Winners, what it is it's similar to, if you have it in the States, similar to Marshall's, TJ Maxx, Ross. Winners is a store that you can go to where you can find brand name items for really affordable prices. And if you go at the right time, you might actually find a really good deal. So hopefully that is today, but we'll have a look for sure. Alright guys, so I hope you guys are ready to come shopping with me. At Winners, there's so many things you can find. You can find women's clothing, men's clothing, children's clothing, accessories, home decor, as well as kitchen supplies, electronics, jewelry, makeup. Everything you can find in the store, you can probably find it at Winners. As you can see here, I'm shopping in the women's department. They have everything sectioned off. The best thing as well, if you see these huge clearance signs in red, it's probably super clearance time. Super clearance time is when you can find amazing deals. So you can see right here, this shirt is marked down for $10. There are a ton of markdowns and there's racks and racks of them. The best part is that they arrange it by size. Typically, whatever size you are, you'll be able to find all the items in that size. Another good thing about Winners is that they separate everything in categories. I'm trying on some fall hats. I kind of look like Indiana Jones, don't you think? And in this area, I'm looking at the sweaters, the cardigans, the shawls. I'm trying on this cardigan, as you can see. Did I end up purchasing this? I don't know. You guys will have to find out at the end of the video to see what I hauled. Also, you guys probably noticed my latest accessory, the mask. I hope that you guys are wearing your masks. I really encourage you to wear your mask when you're out in public areas, especially with the pandemic going on. I personally work in healthcare, so I'm just trying to take my precautions and I hope you guys are too. Stay safe out there. And now off to one of my favorite sections at Winners, the beauty section. Honestly, you just never know what makeup things you can find.
You find something you like?
Yeah.
What is it?
Liquid lipsticks, but I don't know what color, so like, it's like a goodie bag. But it's $50. I don't even know how many are in here. But
Well, that's what you want.
oh no, it says here, chrome red, chrome. Oh, it's all chrome. Will I not like chrome? I don't know. And now let me tell you about their toy section. My little one loves shopping here. She loves looking at the toy section. And honestly, the toys that you can find here are the same toys that you'll find at Toys R Us, Amazon, Walmart for a fraction of the cost. For instance, one of the toys that I found here was a Paw Patrol toy. At Walmart, it's going for $29.99. At Winners, it was only $16.99. Now, if you're shopping for the holidays, Winners might be a great place for you to stop by, especially the toy section. If you have a lot of little people to buy for, and you know they're into their toys, you can find such amazing deals here. So definitely check it out for the holidays.
So, did you find everything you needed? You can take your mask off now if you want to talk.
Oh yeah. Yeah, it was really good. I'll show you guys what I bought in my haul. Okay guys, I have a confession to make. I bought a ton of stuff. I thought I'd show you what I bought. I purchased this Fender sweater in the men's section. It's a size small for my older brother. He really loves playing the guitar, and it's just your typical hoodie. So you see that? That's the logo and the hoodie part here. This was only $24.99 at Winners, which honestly is a good deal, and I knew my brother would love it. I texted him the picture and he was like, yes, please. Now the next few things, I could not pass it up. Some of the prices, I couldn't even believe it was priced that low. Now for the things that I purchased for myself. I saw this dress hanging on the rack and I was like, that would be perfect for our fall photo shoot. I got this Zara dress. It's a women's Zara dress. It's oversized. It's got huge pockets in the front as well. And it's this beautiful camel color. It doesn't have too much detail, but I would personally cinch it at the waist just so that it gives my body more shape. Can you guess how much I paid for this? Can you see that? $8. Honestly, I would have bought it for $16.99 anyways. This would be a perfect dress for our family photos. Hopefully by the time I edit this video, we would have gotten some of those. If so, I'm gonna insert the photo right over here and show you guys how cute this dress looked on. All right, so this next purchase that I got, you might have seen me try it on in the video. Super cute, and I could not pass it up. It is this oversized kind of cardigan shawl. I love the detail of it as well, and the pattern on the back. It's just so beautiful, and I also really love the fringe detail on the bottom, and I love the fact that it's oversized. Typically love pieces like this, and what I love to do is cinch them at the waist here, and the price was only $24.99, and I think for this type of piece it is so worth your money, and it was so cute on. All right, and the next shirt that I found, this is a black Tahari shirt. It's an oversized shirt, which I really love, and I love that it has a detail in the back where you could cinch it, so you could tie it up in the back and really have it flatter your figure. So I really love that detail about it. It normally retails, it says comparable prices around $40. I got it on super clearance at Winners, and it was only $12. So yeah, that was really good deal for sure. And the next item I purchased was a blazer. This is a Magashoni blazer, and I love the color. As you guys know, I'm in love with this color for the fall. It has some pockets in the front, which are super cute. I think this would look great with leggings and tall boots. It was super affordable. It was only $15. Super excited about this deal that I found, because when I found it, I just had to buy it because it was too affordable, and it really brought me back to high school. Have you guys ever heard of 555 Soul? Like, I used to rock this brand in high school. They were tracksuits in the early 2000s. I'm probably dating myself, but that's okay. I saw this 555 Soul dress. Yeah, a dress. Like, look how cute it is though for lounging. It's sweatshirt material. 555 Soul right over here. You'll see that. You can tie it up in the back. It's also got a zipper in the back. I couldn't pass this up because look how affordable this was. It was $4. $4. So this was my steal of the day for sure, and it was so worth it. Thank you so much for watching my video today. I hope you guys really had fun, because I know I had so much fun. I found some amazing deals at Winners, so I would suggest checking out your Winners in your town if you have it, because you just never know what you can find. We might make this a regular thing on my channel where we go shopping to different places. For sure, I'll do it again in the near future, especially with Christmas and the holidays coming around. Stay tuned for my upcoming videos. I'm probably gonna do a lookbook if I can, so you can see these clothes on and then see how I would personally style them. Styling videos are really lots of fun because you can get some inspiration from them. So I hope you guys are staying safe out there, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!